Iyabo, you are a disaster in Yoruba community. Iyabo Lizzy, you are a disgrace. You are a mess and you are a shame. Iyabo Lizzy Ojo. It's quite unfortunate the Yoruba community watched you destroying a lot of people. So this family received a woman. File number killer phone. Shati Shirara. New thing. Bamishi. When it a funny number last, Bamifisi. Joe Bami for that opponent. Joe. There was not person. Iyabo Lizzy Ojo, you are a disgrace and you are a shame. You are a curse. Iyabo. Any ìpè any issue any òfò any àdánù Iyabo Ojo. Listen to what you wrote to this lady under the husband's comment, under the husband post. Your Edochie posted Iyabo Ojo. You now said with your verified page, Iyabo, kò sí bó ṣe lè pẹ́ tó láyé àwọn ọmọ tó jáde láre àtàwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ ara máa ní wọ́n jáde láyé láìpẹ́ ọjọ́ wọn. Mo kórìíra ẹ̀ gan. You see what you are doing here, Iyabo? You are not just bringing a disgrace to yourself or to your children. You are disgracing the Yoruba community. Ẹ̀yin Yoruba, ọmọ yóò ṣàgbà fún kaṣọ wálé. Ojú gbà mí ti fún ìran Yorùbá fún pé gba olórí burúkú Iyabo Ojo tó ti mọ sàárì àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ fún pé.
Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, Lizzy Anjorin ti jáde fún Iyabo Ojo wípé ó ní òun ló wà lẹ́yìn ọ̀rọ̀ YUL Edochie àti ìyàwó rẹ̀ o. Ó ní Iyabo Ojo ló wà ní ẹ̀yìn gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ náà, òun ló wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ náà. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí Lizzy Anjorin ní láti sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí, ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gbẹnu tán.
Ìgbà láyè tó wá gbé ìtìjú. Your Edochie has been battling this Iyabo Ojo's gist lovers issue. Do you know that ordinarily the Your Edochie and his wife, they may still be together today, but because Iyabo Ojo is after that Your Edochie life, for reason best known to Iyabo Lizzy Ojo, the greatest mistake the Igbo people made is allowing Iyabo Ojo in your midst, and it is good for you. The greatest mistake the Igbo people made is allowing Iyabo Ojo in your midst. Iyabo, is your audacity for me. Your Edochie posted when you did your blue film. Did your Edochie put his mouth in your matter? The way they bullied that your Edochie and the wife, I knew Iyabo Ojo was behind it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it was Iyabo Ojo. Ordinarily, you see, your Edochie and his wife, they can settle things amicably. But guess what? The first wife, let me give you Cinderella. The second wife, let me give you Queen. The second wife, or let me give you Princess. Your Edochie, it's quite unfortunate that you refuse to face your fear. When I stood against Iyabo Ojo, you knew it was Iyabo Ojo after your life. Iyabo Ojo did not. Iyabo Ojo is after your life, not after your marriage. She just hid under your first wife. Funny enough, your Edochie, did you know who they called Halima Abubakar? Halima Abubakar's case is almost the same thing with your senior wife's case. But your senior wife does not know them. But by now, YUL Edochie, your senior wife is going through a lot than the second woman. You see, what Iyabo Ojo did to your first wife is, she used the woman. She set the woman up by herself. She caged the woman. She tied up the woman's hand. Your first wife that you know, she has fought a lot of battles side by side with you. You know your wife, your normal wife, that your first wife will never leave your side. Regardless of whoever have pregnant or whoever you are dating. Your wife knew you very well. She knew you had friends and she never left. But when Iyabo Ojo came, you saw a new woman. You got along with the second woman.